This is a 425 megahertz high power amplifier test. Down here I have a chiller. It circles the water through the amplifier, and this is the amplifier. On this side I have a preamplifier, 425 megahertz. Up here is a 2 kilowatt DC power supply running at 48 volts. This is a digital RF power meter and a high power load, dummy load. This is the signal generator, 16 dBm output, which goes into this preamplifier, and then it goes into the amplifier. 48 volts. Still 48 volts. Amplifier input. And this is the power level. 760 watts. VSWR 1.08. 425 megahertz.